Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking Tesla Cybertruck 2025 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison performance. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison is built for those who crave adventure and demand unmatched performance. This truck is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of power, capability, and rugged design. Whether you're conquering the toughest trails, hauling heavy loads, or cruising through the city, the Silverado ZR2 Bison delivers an experience like no other. Designed in collaboration with American Expedition Vehicles, the ZR2 Bison is packed with exclusive off-road features that set it apart from the competition. The high-clearance steel bumpers, reinforced skid plates, and rock sliders provide ultimate protection against the harshest terrain. With an aggressive stance, blacked-out grille, and bold Bison badging, this truck commands attention from every angle. Under the hood, the Silverado ZR2 Bison offers a powerful engine that delivers exceptional horsepower and torque. Whether you're climbing steep inclines or towing heavy gear, this truck is built to handle it all. The advanced Multimatic DSSV dampers provide a smooth, controlled ride, absorbing shocks and maintaining stability even on the most challenging landscapes. With front and rear electronic locking differentials and a specialized off-road mode, the Bison is ready to take on any obstacle in its path. Step inside the Silverado ZR2 Bison, and you'll find a cabin designed for both comfort and functionality. The premium leather seats, soft touch materials, and high-tech dashboard create a refined yet durable interior. The massive touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you connected on the go, while the Bose premium audio system delivers an immersive sound experience. Heated and ventilated seats, a wireless charging pad, and customizable digital displays make every drive as comfortable as it is exciting. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Silverado ZR2 Bison. With advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, this truck provides confidence on and off the road. The high-strength steel frame and reinforced body structure ensure durability and protection, so you can push your limits without hesitation. The Silverado ZR2 Bison isn't just an off-road monster, it's also built for towing and hauling. With an impressive towing capacity, integrated trailer brake controller, and advanced stability features, this truck makes transporting heavy loads effortless. Whether you're towing a camper, boat, or work equipment, the Silverado ZR2 Bison delivers maximum performance with ease. Fuel efficiency meets power with the Silverado ZR2 Bison's advanced engine technology. The dynamic fuel management system optimizes fuel consumption, providing a balance between performance and efficiency. Whether you're taking on long highway drives or navigating rough trails, this truck ensures you get the most out of every gallon. Every detail of the Silverado ZR2 Bison is designed for those who refuse to compromise. The rugged exterior, luxurious interior, and state-of-the-art technology make it the ultimate off-road machine. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a hard-working professional, or someone who values strength and style, this truck is built for you. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison is more than just a truck, it's a lifestyle. It's built for those who push boundaries, explore the unknown, and demand the best from their vehicles. From its bold presence to its cutting-edge features, this truck is ready to redefine what it means to go off-road. Wherever your journey takes you, the Silverado ZR2 Bison is ready to lead the way. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.